Hello, that's so. So what I will do today is to show you how to create a blank database using Microsoft Access. What we'll do is we'll do a simple table, how to create the table with the multiple fields. This one will be the basic one, just to understand how to use the Microsoft Access. But let us click on this blank desktop database, double click. Okay, so go inside here. You can first come to this page over here, the screen you are at. So basically over here, you will see you can actually have different columns over here for your database. So let us move on without delaying. Go to the design view, save the table. Let us just save this as the customer updates. Okay, so let us put in the ID, customer name. Over here, I just put short text. Oh, maybe we want to put customer ID first. Customer name, ID, maybe you can put the number, name, then address. Region, sales rep, have a product ID, the number over here. But we have some more product name. X quantity, and finally got unit price. So save this one first. Over here to save. Then over here, let us put in total. Make sure you save. If you don't save, you will not have this next step over here to calculate. Calculate unit, multiply with unit price. Okay. So save this one. So as simple as that, you have actually completed the table. So this one is a simple table. Let us just try to enter in something over here. Maybe customer ID, we want to just put one random number, name, and address. Let's go USM, region, North, sales rep, maybe from product ID. Let us just put in some random number, product name, maybe 10, quantity 10, and maybe one pen is 1. So there you go. This is a simple way of illustrating a table that is not really normalized yet. Then what I want to do next is I want to create a form to fill in, just to ease the access of filling in this one. You can start from blank form. You can create form wizard. So let's create form wizard over here. Select everything. Click next, and then let us modify, finish. So from here, let us drag this down a bit to go this down here a bit. This form photo. Don't let click on this one for button. Place it over to here. Record operation. Next, this is the design you want to pick. So let's just go with this one. And command, maybe you want to put in at finish, right? As you can see here, the name. Let's check one by one over here. And see over here is all the, everything over here is the format. You can actually tweak a bit over here. You can do something like we can play along with it, can extend, you can change a lot of things. When start with blank, you can start from here. Let us just check and have a look over here. You see format, can have different format. The data, enable, yes, look, no. There's a way for us to input valid rules. We can put in a lot of things over here. We can basically play along with this. What I would say is that you can test out one by one. The basic is just use the default, but you can do a lot of things with it. Let us go and add another one more. Let us delete. And let us just here delete. Range it to here. Add one more over here. Duplicate. Next. Over here. Duplicate. Okay, finish. I don't know, you can add more buttons. Play along with this system over here. So let us just save and go back to the normal view. You can see this one, can delete. About to delete one record. Yes. So let us go back over here. See it's deleted. Refresh, it's gone. As simple as that. Let's just test one. This is save. Let us test two. Save. Want to duplicate. It's even test 3. So you can just duplicate this record. These are all the sample. So if I refresh, then you can see, there you go. These are simple buttons. Of course, you can explore further. How do you explore further? Click on this design view. Of course, you can go over here. There are different, more interesting views that you can make this to be more attractive for your assignment. Of course, you want to explore further on this. However, next week, which is this week, we'll look into how to normalize this table using the database tool when we want to see that we can actually create a relationship between multiple tables. Yeah, but I'll save that for the class later. We can explore further on this relationship. What I want to do next is, so let's say we want to create a link from this. Let's say we want to create a next, or in the next video, I'm just gonna stop this one over here. This is the basic one. The next one we'll be looking at how to create a login form. Create a login form to log into this form. All right.